Trey and my little brother Cameron. What's up? Right now we got this half of my 2013 fireworks stash. My sister gonna be presenting the other stash of it. So right now I got 18 Roman candles. Each of them got 10 balls and four tanks and a Saturn missile battery, which includes 100 shots with 2 tubes each. Include 6 artillery shells, and I got another Saturn missile battery that contains 300 shots, and I have a firework fiesta that has like maybe 100 or 200 shots in it, and my favorite, the one that I picked out, was Fight Club. People, if you're trying to get something that's real big, get something that has 500 grams, because that's the biggest thing you can get. And so we got this 1,000 roll Black Cat, and when you travel 20 miles out to the USA fireworks stand, you get a free Black Cats, and these two right here for just traveling out this 20 miles. And we got M5000 salute maximum load, 36 of them, and we got this color pearl flower, 96 shots, and 6 rockets a piece, large Texas pop rockets. But we got 2 more, and they're really large Texas pop rockets. That's why I like it. And we got these fuse fireworks, 16 shots, and the coner is coner number 4. We'll say how many shots it got, but okay. And the amazing sunset with Big Thunder. Big Thunder. One shot. And we got 2 more tubes. Super shells, Dragon Ball, artillery shells. We got 1 artillery shell in here, and whistle and Jake, 1 artillery shell in here. And that's all I have for today.
Okay, here we got 17 Roman candles and some Black Cats. We got 3 Texas Pop Rockets, and then we got package of them. Then we got some sparklers, and then we also got the large Texas Pop Rockets. Then I got 1 tube. Then I got 2 things to kaleidoscopes and 4 tanks. Then I got a thing with sparklers, and then also I got the garden and spring, and then the amazing sunset, and then I also got the cuckoo, and then I got the sweet. That's all today.